So, for my first vlog ever, to the girl who loves to capture moments, tara, samahan niyo ako as we explore Dumaguete and Siquijor. At this trip, we took a plane going to Dumaguete. Super excited, super early, and syempre, airplane window agad para may seat shot agad. Groupie selfie agad with the fam because memories first before anything else. From the airport, we rode the tricycle papuntang hostel namin. It's mad monkey. Drop bags, quick freshen up, and then diretso lunch agad kasi gutom is real. So as you can see, pinagkasya namin yung sarili namin sa isang tricycle lang. Funny. And since it was January 5, 2025, we started the day by giving my sister a cash gift. Aba, simula pa lang may pa-blessing na agad ang 2025. At syempre, dahil no work ang ate, edi ang kuya muna. Ay bahite ang ate papaano? Kagaling nag-check agad ng palitan kung magkano, compute agad si ate girl. Masaya yan siya dyan. After that, we did a quick swim sa pool na galing sa falls. Ang lamig. Pero laban. Tapos, pinagawa ko pa si babe ng Kawa Bath while I was there like a supportive chef, tourist, content creator, multitasking yarn. Diyan yung masasabing happy wife, happy life. Next up, alam nyong pagod na pagod kami. Casa Roro Falls. Guys, wala naman kasing nagsabi na ganun karami yung steps. We were hiking like, malapit na ga? Sure ka? Hindi namin in-expect na ganun kahirap. Hay naku. Yung tuhod ko, yung pawis, yung hingal, at konting regret. But when we saw the view, ay grabe, worth it lahat.
Kaaway ko mamaya. Alas.
Ang hirap ng challenge ni Big Brother. Nature Reel said, sige, paghirapan niyo muna ako bago ko ipakita ang ganda ko. So, after that, balik hostel kami, dinner, and early rest kasi may ganap pa bukas. And alam nyo guys, yung pizza na niluluto dyan, ang sarap. Iba yung crust. And I love the fact that meron dyang bar area sa aming hostel kasi mga until 12 or 10 p.m. ata pwedeng mag-order. Maganda din tong pool area, hindi siya masyadong malalim, so parang pwede ka lang mag-quick tip. And then I had a carbonara and mango shake. So at this area, kapag gabi, pwedeng mag-beer pong. The next morning, boat ride naman tayo going to Siquijor. I love taking short clips gaya nito. Parang mini movie ang peg. Like, join me as I enjoy and discover places. One clip at a time. For those of you who know me, alam nyong gustong-gusto ko laging mag-selfie or mag-video ng sarili. GGSS yarn! And as you can see, meron akong asawang napaka-low-key. So, kapag nagmo-moment ako ng ganyan, gets na niya yun. One fun fact. Naiwan ko yung rechargeable fan ko dun sa boat pagdating namin ng seaport. And if you know me, I cannot survive without my fan. Girl, ang init kaya. Buti na lang my husband went back to get it for me because, girl, ang init. Hero moment siya dun. Not gonna lie. From there, we took a cab papuntang hostel and guess what? Mad monkey ulit. But this time, in Siquijor. We took a quick rest and then tour agad. Sabi ko nga, walang magpapahinga sa pamilyang ito, adventure is life. While nag-uusap si Mama at si Jen kung how much yung pamasahe, ito ako nagva-vlog dahil as a Disney princess, hindi dapat ako nakikimali-mali sa mga ganyan. Dapat nag-ganda-gandahan lang tayo. Ganda-gandahan! Honestly, I feel like naging dream ko talaga maging island girl. I love living near the ocean. Sa bagay, nakatira din naman nga ako sa near the ocean dun sa playa. Hello? Guys, look at the sunsets, the breeze. It's just amazing. Parang ang sarap mabuhay, 'di ba? Pag ganun yung view mo every day. Kapag ganito yung view, parang hindi ko maramdaman yung init kapag nandito ako. Parang yung hangin. Mainit siya, pero alam nyo yun, iba talaga pag nasa isla ka, girl. Ang sarap maging lokal. Like, my husband, oh. Oh, see? Enjoy yan
And
siya.
yes,
I am the official human drone of the family. Ako yung laging may camera, naka-angle,
Oh,
tapos
yes.
squat, naka-tiptoe, tapos tatawanan lang nila ako. Alam nyo, ang saya talaga ng moment na to. Nafe-feel mo yung moment, like, you're enjoying the moment. Tawang-tawa talaga ako dito kay Jan kapag naiinis siya, tingnan nyo. Nako, ang mamay, hindi na makatakbo at masakit ng tuhod ka, papanhik manaog nga naman sa hagdanan, kainaman.
Tapos pupunta pabalik.
Tingnan nyo naman, sobrang cute. Naghahanap sila ng lilipatan nila na shell. So, may afam na nasa lungo. So, akala nila, lokal kami. So, sa amin sila nagtanong kung nakakamatay daw ba yun. Sabi naman namin, hindi. Lalagnatin ka lang, pero kusa naman siya mawawala. Another fun fact, guys. We were looking for a hidden beach in Siquijor, and we got lost. As in, naglalakad kami sa kawalan. In short, naligaw kami. We were joking about it pa kasi nga nakakatawa kasi naliligaw nga kami. Walang signal doon so hindi kami makakapag Google Maps or something. At sa totoo lang, kinakabahan na kami because it was getting dark na dumidilim na. Thankfully, nakahanap kami ng way pero sobrang tagal namin doon sa gubat. So to cut the story short, nakalabas din kami safe and we were laughing about it after. And guys, as you can see, nag-rent kami ng car kasi sabi ni Jen, mas maganda nga daw na mag-rent kami ng car kesa sisita lagi kami ng tricycle. And of course, we visited Cambugahay Falls. It is one of the top tourist spots in Siquijor daw. Hindi ko matandaan kung how many steps ang nagawa namin dyan, pero parang ganun din dun sa falls na pinuntahan namin dun sa Dumaguete. So what we did there is we climbed dun sa tree. We swung like Tarzan from a tree and then we jumped. Nakakatakot pero grabe. Breathtaking and worth the risk naman. Adrenaline plus nature equals core memories. This trip reminded me that life is not about perfect plans. It's about shared laughter, unexpected moments, and appreciating the beauty around us. So if you love to travel, family adventures, island vibes, and a little bit of Kalog energy, make sure to stick around. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel at Jaina Jade. Thank you! See you in my next vlog!